Welcome to Bestusefultips. In this video, I will show you how to change the notification sound of Google Messages app on any Android device. So if you have any Android device and use the Google Message application and want to set the custom notification sound for Google Messages, follow this tutorial. So first of all, open the app drawer on your device. Tap on the Google Messages application. Tap on it. Now tap on a profile icon at the top right corner. Here you can find the message settings option, so tap on it on your device. Now tap on the notifications, tap on a behavior, sound and more. Now here you can find the all message notification sound for Google Messages application on your device. So tap on the default settings on your phone. Here you can see the incoming messages option. So make sure to toggle on this option on your device. So tap on it. Now here you can find the option sound, default notification sound. So here you can change the notification sound for the Google Messages application. So tap on it. Now different Android device or Android version and different setting to set the custom notification sound or a default Google Message notification sound on a device. So this is my Pixel 10 device. So you can see the list of different category notification sound. In the Pixel device, if you want to change the Google Message notification sound, tap on the My Sound. Tap on a plus icon at the bottom right corner to add the custom notification sound or any downloaded song or MP3 audio to default Google Message notification sound. So tap on a plus icon. Now select the any audio file or ringtone or downloaded song if you want to set this Google Message notification sound. So we select any custom ringtone like this. Now here you need to select the option you want as the Google Message notification sound on your device. After that, like here we select this option. Now tap on a after you can see the save option at the top. So tap on a save button to change the Google Message notification sound on any Android device. So quite easy to change the notification sound for the Google Messages app on your any Android device. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.